Hi, welcome to part 2. So, as we saw in part 1, the black tape didn't work going over the internal microphone. So I thought, what else could I come up with? So I came up with a bicycle inner tube, which I thought was pretty tough, stretchable and solid enough. So I've got a piece of inner tube, cut it, put it round the drift, and still got wind noise. So I thought, oh, maybe I could double it up. So I put 2 on there, still got the wind noise. 3 pieces, one round the lens and the other 2 round the microphone, still got wind noises. I still kept getting all this noise. And then I thought, what else could I use? And then I came up with this and got this result. So as you can see, I used my underwater casing for the 1080p. It doesn't fit the Ghost because, as you can see, this has got the side buttons and that's got the buttons at the top. But it does fit because they're the same size cameras, so why wouldn't they? So that just goes in there and it shuts and it's tight. It doesn't rattle at all. So, if you want to get rid of your wind noise on your Drift Ghost S, this is the baby. If you found anything other than this, please leave us a link because this internal microphone is so sensitive. It was set on 1 for all the tests. The results you can see for yourself. Anyway, hope this has been of help. But the Drift Ghost S, still a brilliant camera. Anyway guys, hope that helps. Ciao.